Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of YouTube app on TV and reset on Smart TV or Fire TV stick. So I'm just on the application right here and I'm going to scroll up to my profile icon on the top left. Then I'm going to go to the right and select my first icon. Then under my first icon, if I go down, I can select this little icon. So if I select this icon, then go ahead and remove an account for my TV. So let's select an account and then go to next. And it says, do you want to remove this account? Let's go to remove account and I will have to sign back in if I want to use this account again. So let's remove account. And then it says back to guest now to reset the YouTube application. This will also sign you out. If you're going down to settings, then you go to the right and then you scroll down under here, you will see an option to reset app. Says clear your settings including connect devices and account. You can go to reset application and go to reset app and this will log you out. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.